Experts claimed that if the Great Shillong earthquake of 1897 repeats, the devastation will be enormous. Professor Divesh Walia, School of Human and Environmental Science, Northeastern Hill University, questioned our preparedness and said that seismologists have calculated that if the same magnitude earthquake comes at midnight, minimum 5 lakh people will lose their lives in the present-day scenario and considering the present-day vulnerabilities and population. The discussions focus on seismic hazard assessment, early warning systems and community preparedness.
We had Professor Harsh K. Gupta. He is a renowned seismologist. So around some time back, they have calculated that if the same magnitude earthquake comes in the night, 12 a.m. in the night, then a minimum 5 lakh people will lose their life in the present day scenario, considering the present day vulnerabilities, considering the population here. So it is going to be huge if it occurs, similar magnitude earthquake occurs. So we need to be cautious of any such catastrophic events because they don't occur very often and their residence time is for 2 minutes maximum. But during that time they may bring in lot of devastation. So we need to be prepared so that we are not caught unprepared.
The Khon Hinyotrep National Awakening